We're coming to the fun stuff. Now, the other stuff was good too. We're coming into the fun stuff. I'm going to demonstrate what it takes to get a SIM card, put it in a phone, and all the other little nuances. I'm going to try and explain to you this magical SIM card, this magical piece of plastic that's going to connect you to the world in this video right now. I'm Mike Dixon. The channel is Joker Tech. Let's rip into this. So here we are. We'll put this aside. All right, and you get a little piece of paper telling you. Now, I'm trying to cover up. Now I see this is like called the starter kit for US Mobile. Now, did it cost me $4.25? Yes, but sometimes you can catch this stuff. Some of them give it for free, mail it to you for free. Some of them catch a promo, whatever the case may be. US Mobile starter kit. Now, you can activate it following the steps on the usmobile.com. Activation, insert your SIM card. And I've called the 1-800 number before on a prior question or problem, and somebody answered the phone. Don't know at this hour on a Saturday at 8:36 p.m. here on the East Coast, but somebody did it on the during the week. Now, how I understand on US Mobile, this is the T-Mobile card, SIM card, and this is the Verizon card. Okay, this little tool is called a SIM injection tool. I'm going to leave it right there because I have one right here. I got like lots of these things. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your phone. This is just a sample. I stress, this is not the phone that we're going to use this on. This is strictly a sample. And you're going to, up here, you're going to look for this little box. It could be on the side. It could be over here. It could be down here. This is the bottom of the phone. It could be, well, in this case, it's on the top. Every phone is different. Just to demonstrate, here's an old phone that has, as you can see, there's none of this. You don't have any of that. But this one, it's an oldie but goodie. Okay, it goes in here. You would need to take the battery out like that and slide that in. Now they're showing you the bottom is the SIM card and the top is a micro SD card, which is a memory card. And you should be using one of these as the hold pictures and maybe important information. You download a movie, you could download a movie music to this card. Okay, now we're going slowly to a cloud-based on these phones and the services that they're offering. This is becoming a dinosaur. But if you have the ability to use a memory card, please use a memory card. And again, this bottom, I don't know if this picks it up here. That's where that's at. Okay. So anyway, you have to, some you have to take the back. Most of them today, that's a rarity right there. That's an oldie. But here is your SIM tray that you would pop this open. Take this out, and even it says right there a SIM. Now that SIM card is in here. Get the gooey off. Now there's different size SIM cards, and this is basically, let me see if I can get this out. I guess you could use this SIM card this size for good old flip phones from back in the day. So they will provide you with a phone service for those people who are still using flip phones. But your card is really this silver, this goldish piece here. And there's still one more. They're in a holder. There's like, these are meant to be, there we go. Because different sizes back in the day, they were different sizes. Physical size of the cards. We are down to this right now. So this is the SIM card we will use on the phone. And we'll talk about the phone I'm going to be using in the next video. But basically, let's see. Let me see if I can just demonstrate. because the other phone isn't, it doesn't even have battery in it. So if you look at the shape of it, you see the notch here. You got to flip it over to match the same shape, and then you put it in here, and just kind of feel it like click and snap in place. And then you want to kind of just hold the two together and see how I have my finger like this and kind of like hold it in place. And just slide it in. There we go. You would turn on the phone and you would follow the instructions. Hey, I got a lot more to cover. I got some editing to do from some extra other videos I did before this. So I want to stop here. My name is Mike Dixon. This is Joker Tech Channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.